This is a review of my Android program called ChemArcade Bonding, which is around here somewhere. Hold on. Should be on the last bit. Here we go. Icon looks like this. Bring this up. I'm reviewing this on a Samsung Tab S2, but it also plays okay on any Android device that has versions 5 and higher. First, I can turn off the music down here in the corner. There we go. Hit continue. And first thing, we have a privacy policy here. There is nothing to worry about in installing this. It does not invade your privacy at all. There is no internet connection. There is no collection of any personal data. There are no advertisements in the program. It is totally free and inobtrusive. So download it, install it, enjoy it. The first thing you have to do in playing is to set the speed. You can set the speed to anything from 0 to 100. 0 would be used in order to go into study mode. You won't get a score, but things won't be bouncing around the screen and they're easier to shoot then. There'll be a cannon at the bottom of the screen moving back and forth at a set speed and a set path, and you just have to tap on a fire button in order to shoot at the objects bouncing around above. Probably, and also the speed will affect the score that you get. See, if I raise the speed, these items go up, have my maximum score here. If I lower the speed, you see that the scores of the values over there decrease. I'm going to go down to a speed of 5, just so they're still moving but very slowly. And now let's take a look at the game here. There are 5 levels. This is the first level here. You see there's a bunch of terms bouncing around up here. Cannon goes back and forth. The speed of the cannon does not depend on what you set the speed of the game to. That stays the same. The bullet speed changes as you go from level to level. That is also not determined by the speed you picked. Okay, so here we're looking for a bond in which electrons are transferred. That's an ionic bond, and that's right there. A bond in which electrons are shared equally would be nonpolar. Whoops, I missed. So I lost a couple of points there. The points that are lost when a bullet goes off the screen is affected by the speed of the overall game. Measurement of an ability to attract electrons, that's electronegativity. There we go. Another name for ionic bond is electrovalent. Oh, and when this definition will pop up depends on where the position of the cannon is. It has to be at either end of the path it goes through, and then the next definition will pop up. A bond in which electrons are shared unequally, that's going to be a polar bond. And finally, a bond in which electrons are just shared is covalent. Okay, and then a level comes up, next level. We hit that, go to our next level, and we do the same thing here. Let me just do this and go to one more level just so you can see what some of the characters are that steal points from you. Okay, so a bond in which 3 pairs, that's a triple bond. Positively charged ion is a cation. Negatively charged ion is an anion. I missed it. And have to get the timing right. Bond in which 2 electrons are shared. I should have. Double bond. Separation of ions is dissociation. Formation of ions would be ionization. I got it. And a single bond. There we go. Next level. Okay. Now in this level, you see we have this bad guy. And right now my score is 0, so when he bumps into me, it doesn't affect me because my score cannot go below 0. I can shoot him, or try to shoot him. I lose points when I miss. Missed him there. And I'm hitting targets in the meantime. Okay, he's a little bit hard to hit, so whether or not, okay, let's see, a molecule having positive negative ends, that would be a dipole. A molecule made of one atom is monatomic. An ion consisting, that's polyatomic. And compound made of 3 or more elements is ternary. And that's it. So there's 2 more levels after this. I'm going to hit exit. When you go to the exit screen, you're going to get a report, a score report. You only get a score report for those levels that you've completed. I have not completed either one of level 4 or 5. And it shows me the score that I got on each level, the speed that I used, my total final score, if you were to add all these up, and also it shows the maximum possible score I could have gotten. So I didn't do very well. And that's essentially how the game goes. So it's a good way to practice your terminology for the area of chemical bonding and have fun doing it. Okay, hope you download it, enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye.